Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, Ryngkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ryngkat Baroh Kawei keri India. Haka arpsan terik mentau benai kala lengkot ke jela jungiru kala Rakhe, ya kesengi ke bakerpang jong kinong tap vote, ya ke balajutem kum ke National Voters Day. Kani kedai kesian ke bakhandai, nadu bakari India kelas dang, ya kani kejing Rakhe, ke balang ru kum sibenta, ban pesuto ya kipat ba anong sung kari, ki bala palat kat prasnem karta, seneng, bakin peran kami la ke hok ke bala perkup bor haki, kum kinong sung bapura, jong kari India, kata ban let tap vote hakapor election. Hakani kenong ba Shillong, hakani kejing Rakhe ke bala perlong, da ketnat penya election ke jela, ban kering ki pat ba, bat kamtam ki samla. La perlong ru de kirensan penbernya, bat Kawei ni kini kedai ke bala perlong, hanan polong Shillong. Yakani kejing Rakhe hangne lasdang, hakapor mestap, hakabala wan ban play pat ba da additional chief secretary jong ke jela, uba H Marwen kumukongsan. Ryngkat ke jinan lang ke deputy commissioner jong ke East Castles district kong Matsiu Dwarwar Nongbri, bat additional chief electoral officer ke jela URP Marang. Hakani kesengi ukongsan ula palat pat ba ru yo number phone, iwei kendai san non, yau ba ki pat ba kila ban phone, klem jing siu, ban yo jing pancai, halor kinu ki benta, ki ba ki sengaw artien hakabai day, bat ke kam tap vote. Hakani kesengi la sam ru ki khusnam sekinong job ki balai shimenta, hakajing ko mare thong, hakapor mestep, ya kabalatep kum ka run for democracy. Nalor kani hakani kejing Rakhe la sam ru ki epek kat, syaki katok ani ki samla, ki bedang sudah perong kerteng temai, ki bedang sudah kenjo, syaka khat prasnem karta, bat ken tap vote hakasin ke banding kong mentau snam arajar kat khandai. Ki wei de kita masa bala pelong hakani kejing Rakhe ya ke National Voters Day, ki kentop ya ke photography competition, ke Zumba fitness, bat kerensan ya tem pun.
hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free fair and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by consideration of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement. Thank you. We have seen that the voting has not been achieved so easily. Only in some Greek states that voting, participation by people were allowed. But mostly it has been a fight. Because before democracy, we had monarchies, we had kings, and people did not have much rights. It's only in a democracy that you have the right to vote, and with the right to vote come your power to participate as citizens of a country, a free, democratic country where you have where you have your rights to participate. Now the State Election Commission, the State Electoral Office, has done all it can to bring a lot of all the voters to make you aware of the importance of getting yourself enrolled in the electoral rolls. They have got a prize for that. They have introduced so many innovative ideas to bring all the young voters especially into the election system. Because your vote is so important, like the song says, it is your future. The vote, you may not realize it that you are in a free country. It's only in a free democracy that you are allowed to vote. Other countries which are suffering from dictatorship do not have this right. It is a very valuable right. And it is a right which all of you should exercise. Now the State Chief Electoral Office and the Deputy Commissioner can do only so much to bring you. The next step will be for you to participate. They can only give you the card, they can make it aware how important it is, and they can give you the card like we gave you people, some of the young people here. But finally it is up to you to go and vote. It is a very precious right, it is a very valuable right for all of us. Because without this there will be no democracy. And if you feel that your vote doesn't count, you're saying if I vote it doesn't matter. But if 10,000 of you think like that, you can imagine the impact it has. If all of us say that it's no use, my vote doesn't count, then if 10,000 people say the same thing, you can imagine the consequences of that. In a democracy, if we are to preserve this democracy, we require that all of you should participate. It is very important. You cannot complain tomorrow if you get the government, because you didn't vote. And that is why when we say it is our only way in which once in 5 years we can show our discontent or our content about the policies and program of the government through our vote. You cannot start cribbing and say, I am not getting this, I am not getting that. In a democracy, this is the way. It is not through the bullet, but it's through the ballot that you hold accountable the people who are supposed to govern you. And if you do not exercise the right, you will get the government you deserve. They say people get the government they deserve. If you want to bring change in the governance, you are to be the change. It is what you can do for the governance. And only then the people in power, the people who govern us will be accountable. If they know that all of us go and vote and we exercise this vote properly. The other thing we have seen is that what the song said, I felt very happy about that, is that the vote is very important. You cannot sell your vote. Now everybody will come and try and buy your votes to get themselves elected. This is the bane. Now, government will try so much to check all these malpractices. They'll try and check money, they'll try and check money power, they'll try and check alcohol power, all that. But finally, unless the people themselves say that we will not take this, then all this checking will not be as effective as it can be. So once they buy your vote, you cannot ask them questions anymore. If I buy a thing, it's mine. So if you sell your vote, the young people especially, you must realize that if you sell your vote, you have no right to ask anything from the government. of all the people you are there.
This date was declared as the National Voters' Day in the year 2011, as the Election Commission of India was founded on 25th of January 1950. The day was first celebrated in 2011 to mark Election Commission's Foundation Day. This year, we are celebrating the 9th National Voters' Day with the theme, No Voter to be Left Behind. The significance of National Voters' Day is to encourage more young voters to take part in the electoral process and political process. It is a day to celebrate the right to vote and the vibrant democracy of India. The 61st Amendment of the Constitution of India, officially known as the Constitution 61st Amendment Act 1988, lowered the voting age of elections to the Lok Sabha and to the legislative assemblies of the states from 21 years to 18 years. If you extrapolate the 2011 census data, about 2 crore youngsters turn 18 every year. When the 2019 elections come around, there could be, hypothetically, 10 crore first-time voters. It is not just their numbers that is significant, but also their characteristics. First-time voters behave differently. They are often better informed, more educated and tech-savvy. They can also have an impact on elections by acting as opinion makers and influencers in their circle of family and friends.
children.
Please come forward. The next category is the person with Wanda Shisha Lungkhoi. Is she here? Place Darihun Manar. Is Darihun? Then the third. Where is the second one? We have Hubert Pallier. Hubert Pallier. There's also a special prize for a person with disabilities. Pinchang Lang.
Behold, I saw a white horse. He who sat on it was called faithful and true. His eyes were like a fire that could burn all sin's desire. He was clothed with the robe of blood. His name is called the Word of God. And he will rule the nations. They will know that he's the God. And he will rule the nations. They will know that he's the God. And on his moving thighs, on temperance of the Son of Man beneath the clouds. My name, his heaven.
Come on, count your hands along. Sagi bang bang dakano. Yan ikun after Joe. Asak nagan diyanan. We put what's wrong, though. Nigga, we're not today.
Today's a new day. There is no sunshine, nothing but clouds, and it's dark in my heart, and it feels like a cold night. Today's a new day. Where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised to tell me it's alright? Smile, even though it hurts, yeah, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while, I smile, smile. It's so hard to look up when you get down. Sure would hate to see you give up now. world is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while, I smile, smile. It's so hard to look up when you get down. Sure would hate to see you give up now. You look so much better when you smile. Smile for me. Can you just smile for me? Smile for me. Can you just smile for me? You look so much better when you look so much better. You look so much better when you look so much better. You look so much better when you look so much better. You look so much better when you look so much better.
Karena kijing halayok ningo Way balango jing im laklok Karena kijing halayok ningo Way balango im laklok very good Snow hapurke aki babon rukom yang iki akhap ban pen pulong na kong kilang matla pun kinyong lang kanyong halfway jing jot di hap lom 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 na deng ki jusliu ki bakam kebrei Baroh utip kagia ken kadei lashu yadi yak hemman kapur pur kilaya lino tengkor mana kaki shuya terput terpat kin hai ban briang ru pun sen hak berkat mana kasi shuya bu ajau she men kemi haying ban kis imtre Sinang salah karena kijing halayo bingung way balango jing uplock Jangan ini karena kijing halayo bingung way balango hopes nobody take your clothes off. One water's good and no agony. Hours on end, that agony moment, that calamity. Running your mentality, shunning positivity, lacking alacrity towards that evening. Holding undefeated, knowing my ego's about to receive the first beating. Knowing this could be over before we reset opening. Knowing this could unfold to be the century's best. Planning that vision off with a stabbing and trust. What should I say? I threw it under the bus. Labeled it till it pops, then wipe it away like dust. Not us, because it's always ashes to ashes and stardust to stardust. What is the confession leading to this ball of policy? Why is what I'm disgusted and so